Bugatti Chiron, inside the factory, crafting a hypercar marvel. Introduction. Few automotive brands evoke the same level of awe and reverence as Bugatti. The Bugatti Chiron, the pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury, has captured the imaginations of car enthusiasts worldwide. In this article, we offer you an exclusive backstage pass to the making of the Bugatti Chiron, taking you inside the factory where dreams become reality. The Bugatti legacy. Before delving into the factory tour, it's essential to understand the rich history and heritage that underpins the Bugatti brand. Founded by Ettore Bugatti in 1909, the company quickly gained fame for producing some of the most beautiful, innovative, and high-performance cars of its time. 1. The craftsmanship begins. The process of creating a Bugatti Chiron is a symphony of precision and passion. It all starts with the selection of the finest materials, with every component meticulously examined for quality. 2. Hand-assembled excellence. Each Bugatti Chiron is hand-assembled by a team of highly skilled technicians. From the engine to the bodywork, every detail is scrutinized and perfected. 3. Cutting-edge technology. While tradition and craftsmanship play a significant role, Bugatti also leverages cutting-edge technology in its production processes. Robotics and advanced machinery ensure precision that surpasses human capability. 4. Engine excellence. The heart of the Chiron is its colossal 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Witness the process of building and fine-tuning this engineering marvel. 5. Testing the limits. Bugatti leaves no room for error. Each Chiron undergoes a battery of tests, including high-speed runs, to ensure it can achieve its legendary top speed of 261 miles per hour. 6. Customization and personalization. Bugatti understands that exclusivity matters. Buyers have the opportunity to customize their Chiron, selecting from an array of materials, colors, and finishes. 7. Environmental responsibility. Bugatti is committed to sustainability. Learn how the company incorporates eco-friendly practices into its manufacturing processes. 8. The unveiling. Finally, the Bugatti Chiron emerges from the factory, a masterpiece of engineering and artistry. The moment it hits the road, it becomes a symbol of power, luxury, and speed. Conclusion: a hypercar legacy. Bugatti Chiron inside the factory is a journey into the heart of automotive excellence. It's a testament to what happens when heritage, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology come together. The Bugatti Chiron is more than a car, it's an icon, a masterpiece, and a symbol of the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Join us in this exclusive factory tour, and get ready to be mesmerized by the meticulous process behind creating one of the world's most exceptional hypercars.